Hello guys, and so welcome back sa ating new video. Ayan, so it's been a long time, almost like more than 2 months na hindi tayo nakapag-upload ng video. Ayan, so for this day, today is December 31. Ayan, so this is the last day of the year 2024. And then tomorrow is 2025 na. And so of course, I would like to say thank you Lord sa mga blessings syempre na binigay niya sa akin for my family, sa lahat po. So, of course, you have to say thank you sa lahat ng blessings, kung anumang blessings na na-receive natin. So, we're healthy for the whole year. We have to be thankful about that. And so, medyo hindi talaga ako nakakapag-upload kasi hindi naman talaga kasi ako lumalabas. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, I'm currently here in Thailand. So, nasa probinsya po ako ngayon, which is, there is no public utility vehicle sa around ng area. Ang pwede lang is sasabay ka sa mga lalabas or magpapahatid ka kung saan mo gusto pumunta. So kasi hindi naman ako masyadong naglalabas, which is in the first place alam ko na na ganito ang mangyayari. And kwento ko lang sa inyo. So I've been to like more than seven provinces of Thailand. Probinsya, beach, city, ganon. Pero for this last province that I am right now is more than 1 year na ako dito. Ito na siguro yung pinakamatagal na province na pinagstayan ko. Kung gusto ko talagang mag-travel or very crucial talaga na lalabas, pwede naman. Ayan, so of course mag-thank you tayo sa lahat ng blessings na receive natin, especially sa good health, sa kahit anumang blessings pa yan na na-receive natin. It doesn't have to be money, diba? Kasi most of the people kasi pag blessings ang iniisip mo, pera agad, which is of course not. Good health, good friends, new friends, mga ganoon, ang daming bagay na kailangan natin na we have to consider when it comes to blessings. Ayan, kape nga muna ako. Ayan, so hindi talaga ako lalabas for this New Year. So dito lang ako sa loob ng kwarto, which is I'm used to it naman, and I'm not in the mood to go out or to go somewhere. Dito lang, wala ako sa mood. Hindi ko alam, wala ako sa mood eh. Parang gusto ko lang talaga, I think this is the way you feel. Siguro if you're 30 plus na, di ba? Though hindi naman lahat ng at my age is the same yung ano namin, pero for my age kasi 30 plus na ako. Ayaw lang i-mention yung ano ko. Ayaw lang i-mention yung age ko. Ayan, so wishing for everybody, praying for everybody for good health and wealth, of course. Ayan, so belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Ayan, so for this video, I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. And so thank you still for those people who are watching me. And so if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and or comment down below, like my video. Hindi lang ako nakakapag-upload, sorry po guys. I think I have to consistently upload videos. Thank you so much for the views. Thank you so much for support. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, J Baloy Vlogs. Ayan, so kung may mga plano kayong pumunta sa Thailand or mag-work sa Thailand, you can always reach me out sa aking Facebook page. Responsive naman ako. Anytime kayo, pwede kayo mag-message doon. If you have any questions, wala namang, hindi naman masamang magtanong, di ba? Basta once na-receive ko yung message nyo, and then hindi ako busy, reply ko yan agad. Very responsive ako sa mga messages. Yes. So in my province right now, I'm in Kurat. And wala po talaga masyadong tourist spot dito. Kaya sabi ko, wala masyadong tourist spot dito. Yes. maybe I'm thinking to move again to another school, but as of the moment, I am enjoying where I am right now, where I am teaching right now, my school, my students, my workmates. My workmates are good. They're helping me a lot, especially if I want to go out or buy something outside. Ganon, they're very helpful talaga. And then, of course, that is one of my blessing. And thank you, Lord, for that blessing. Yan, for the milestone of my YouTube channel. We're still blessed, even though, as what I have said, um, I haven't uploaded videos for more than 2 months already. And pardon me for that. And then, of course, by the way, I would like to congratulate those new teachers, yes, who passed the licensure exam last December 12 or 13, if I'm not mistaken. Congratulations on your new journey. Praying for you to find a good job, diba? Good job na good money and happy working surrounding, ayan, syempre, working environment. Yun naman talaga ang kailangan natin. It doesn't have to be money always. It has to be a good relationship with workmates, magandang katrabaho. You cannot really avoid those people who is against you or who is backstabbing, especially at work. That's very normal. It's up to you how are you going to handle those issues, those problems. English. English? Nahirapan ako mag-English sa inyo. And so once again, so happy New Year. And welcome 2025.